Hi guys, you're watching Arc Habitu, especially for young innovative minds. So today's session is aiming at Nata Max, and it's a key for 2018 Max part of Nata. So first of all, we can check the first question, and I have a kind request for you. Just after seeing the first question or any other further questions, just pause the video and check if you can do it yourself, and if not, proceed with the solution. And if not, give a way for the solution, try it yourself again, and if not, again do it to watch the solution, and again do it to yourself till you can solve the entire question. So first question is this: an angle which is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is known as option A, right angle, B, a reflex angle, C, an alternate angle, and D, an adjacent angle. So first of all, I want to say you that there are many types of angles. So the figure shown in A is a acute angle. That means the angle measure is between 90 degree and 0 degree. And B is a obtuse angle which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. And C is a right angle which is 90 degree itself. And D is a reflex angle, that means it is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. And E is a concurrent angles, that means adjacent angles, concurrent angles. Anyway, they are adjacent angles, not concurrent, and that is two parallel lines cut by a transversal. Concurrent angles or adjacent angles are equal. And then F is alternate angles. Okay, so this question asks us that a angle measure which is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So this is a reflex. So the answer is B option. Second question is this: the equation of plane passing through point 1, -1, 2 and parallel to the plane 3x plus 4y minus 5z is equal to 0 is. So there are options, many different ulta-pulta options. So now we can just consider a figure like this. It says that equation of plane passing through a point and which is parallel to the plane. So we can first draw the plane which is parallel to the the plane which we want to find the equation. So that is this thing with a normal vector m vector, and this normal vector will be 3i cap plus 4j cap plus minus 5k cap from the equation of the plane. We will get that. And the plane which we want to find is parallel to this 3x plus 4y minus 5z plus 11 equal to 0 plane. So it will be like this, and it contains a point 1, -1, 2. So the normal vector of the plane which is parallel to the plane which we want to find the equation will also be normal to the plane we want to find. Okay, so the equation will be r minus a dot m vector. That means a is the position vector of a point lying in the plane and m vector is the normal vector. So we know the m vector and a vector, so we can substitute here as r minus a dot m, and we will get the answer as 3x plus 4y minus 5z plus 11 is equal to 0. Very basic question. And the third question is: in a circle of radius 17 centimeter, two parallel chords are drawn on opposite side of diameter, and the distance between the chords is 23 centimeter. if length of one chord is 16 centimeter, then the length of other chord is. So in this question we want to draw first a rough figure like this, and then just zoom that in order to make calculations, in order to consider some of the right triangles, etc. So we are said that the two chords are opposite to the diameters, which means the two chords are not lying on the same side of the half of a circle but entirely on opposite sides. So they in the question they have not said that the chords are also equal distance from the diameter or center. Okay, now drawing the radius, it's given that 17 centimeter and the distance between chords is 23 centimeter. So from the center to first chord, let the distance be a centimeter. Okay, so the other distance will be 23 minus a centimeter. We can say it as a b centimeter. And when we drop a perpendicular from the center, we know that it will bisect the chord. Okay, so this length will be 8 centimeter and this length also will be 8 centimeter, and we can consider a right triangle like this. And so according to hypotenuse theorem, Pythagoras theorem, so a is equal to root of 17 square minus 8 square, that means 15 centimeter, and b will be 23 minus 15, that is equal to 23 minus 15, that is equal to 8 centimeter. And considering the above right triangle, we know that x by 2 will be 15 centimeter, therefore all x will be 30 centimeter. So the length of other chord will be 30 centimeter. That's our D option. And the fourth question is, three vertices of triangle ABC are A 1, 4, B minus 2, 2, C 3, 2. Then area of triangle ABC is. So we know the three coordinates. Let's construct the triangle like this, a rough figure. Now we know that C and B vertices will be in a straight line, which is because the y coordinate is not changing. Okay, so it will be parallel to x axis. Okay, so any point in this line we have the y coordinate as 2. Okay, now we can find all the side lengths using the equation to find the lengths. Root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So we will get CB as 5 centimeter and AB as 2 root 3, AC as 2 root 2. Now we can drop a perpendicular from A to CB. So this vertex, the coordinate of this point, foot of the perpendicular, will be x, some x comma 2. What is x? It is perpendicular to the point 1, 4. It is straight to the point 1, 4. Therefore x coordinate will be 1 and y coordinate will be 2. And now the length of the perpendicular should be root of 1 minus 1 the whole square plus 2 minus 4 the whole square. So it will be 2 centimeter. So h is equal to 2 and base is equal to 5. Therefore area should be half into 2 into 5. That means 5 square units. That is our D option. And fifth question is, the equation of normal to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 2x, which is parallel to the straight line x plus 2y is equal to 3 is given by. Now we know that any normal to a tangent will pass through center. In order to find the center point, we have the equation of the circle as x square plus y square minus 2x is equal to 0, or simply x square plus y square is equal to 2x. From that 2g we know that the center will be minus g comma minus f. 2g is equal to 2, coefficient of x, and 2f is equal to 0, coefficient of y. Now g is equal to 1 and f is equal to 0, therefore minus g comma minus f or center coordinates will be minus 1 comma 0, and therefore this will satisfy the equation of the normal. We know that the normal is parallel to the line x plus 2y is equal to 3. Therefore we can consider the equation of normal as x plus 2y plus lambda is equal to 0, and hence to find lambda just put the coordinates minus 1 comma 0, that means the center's coordinate, into the equation and find lambda, and we will get lambda is minus 1, and the equation will be x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. So that is C option. Now in this session we are discussing only 6 questions. Now the 6th question will be this: the tangents of 2 points A and B on the circle with center O intersect at point P. If in quadrilateral PAOB angle AOB is to angle ABB is equal to 5:1, then measure of angle APB is given by. So it is pretty easy question. It is a concept which we have studied in 10th, 9th or 8th classes according to your board, CBSE, ICSE or state board. So now consider the rough figure as shown. We know that in a quadrilateral like this with 2 tangents intersecting point P and center O, we know that the opposite angles must be what? Supplementary. That means if one is x, then the other will be 180 minus x. Angle AOB and angle APB will be supplementary. So we are given the ratio of the angles of angle AOB and angle APB. That means 5x. 5:1. We can take it as 5x and x. Then we know that if they are supplementary, x plus 5x will be 180 degree, therefore x will be equal to 30 degree. That is what we have to find. So angle APB measure will be 30 degree, that means B option. So that's all for this session. If you are giving me much support, I will keep posting such videos for improving your maths general aptitude. And do subscribe, share, comment, and also give a thumbs up for more upcoming videos. Thank you all.